Hello everyone, let's get straight to the point. Just recently, India hits a record low against the US dollar.
The rupee touched an all-time low.
The Indian rupee, it has crossed 90 against the US dollar.
Rupee has sunk past the 90 mark against.
On 3rd of December, it crossed 90 rupees per dollar for the first time in history. A lot of people ask, why is this happening? Let's break it down simply. So, the reason number 1, strong dollar plus global sentiment. The US dollar has become stronger worldwide because the investors see it as safe. Like जब वर्ल्ड में अनसर्टेनिटी आती है, इन्वेस्टर डॉलर लेने लगते हैं और जब डॉलर की डिमांड बढ़ जाती है, रुपी वीक हो जाता है. रीजन नंबर 2, ट्रेड इशू विथ यूएस. Recently, US and India have been in trade and tariff disagreement. अमेरिका ने कुछ इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स पर हाई टैरिफ अराउंड 50% लगाया है. This has slowed export and made global businesses cautious about Indian market. As a result, foreign investors are pulling out. And imagine investors taking their money home. वो पैसे डॉलर में जाता है जिससे रुपी पे और ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ता है. रीजन नंबर 3, import cost and trade deficit. India buy lots of oil, gold and other imported goods. जब रुपी वीक हो जाती है, import cost more. And that affects prices of fuel, petrol, gadgets, foreign travels, etc. Simple rule, weaker rupee, import cost higher, everyday things cost more. So the question is, why does the rupees fall feel unexpected? And honestly, the feeling is valid. When we look India internally, the things are okay.
Because India's GDP is among the fastest in the world. Banks are stable, companies are making profit, and digital payments, infrastructure and startups are growing. So naturally people think, if India is doing well, तो रुपी क्यों गिर रहा है? Because the problem is not fully inside India. The important point is, the currency value is not decided by only one country. Even if India is doing okay, अगर US ज़्यादा grow कर रहा है या globally US dollar strong हो रहा है, then rupee can still fall. In simple line, you can say, rupee weak नहीं लग रहा है, dollar ज़्यादा strong लग रहा है. So what is the solution? The biggest long-term solution is simple. India needs to sell more to the world and buy less from the world. So more export equal to more dollar coming into India. More dollar equal to stronger rupee. This is why Make in India is important. Solution number 2, reduce oil dependency. Oil is one of the biggest reason for dollar demand. Electric vehicle, renewable energy and alternative fuel help reduce this pressure. Solution number 3, stable policy and global trust. When investors trust the country policy, they invest for long term, not for short term. Long term money is stable and stable money support rupee. You can say this clearly. Rupee falling doesn't mean India is failing. It means the global environment is difficult and dollar is dominating.